Don't you hate it when your nipples freeze? So do my chickens. So we're gonna go see what we can do about it down here in Southern Louisiana. I think it's about 25 degrees right now. It's warmed up some. Pretty windy. Wife went out and said the chicken water nipples were frozen earlier. I think she gave them a bucket of water, so I'm gonna go see about thawing them out and see what I can do to keep them from freezing again tonight when temperatures drop down really cold again, or at least what we consider cold. Let's see. What we got here? Where is it? Oh, it's not there. It's over here. Take that off. Grab a little heat gun. Grab a battery. Let's see. Battery. Stick that on. What else we need? I got my heat lamp. And I guess I'll just grab a cord. Got a cord down here. I'm gonna unplug. Well, I think I got too many things in my hand right now. This is a little bit ridiculous. Come on, close. I'm gonna grab this cord. Finish grabbing my cord. I need to finish this project up sometime. It's gonna be a pretty long work in progress. Done quite a bit, but that's a whole other videos. Today we're talking about chickens. Or I'm talking about chickens. I don't know if this cord's long enough or not. Guess we'll find out. All right. I'm gonna take a walk out towards the stables and go to the chickies. Calves over there in the background. Want to know if they're gonna be fed. If they'll come around, I'll give them something. Guess I'll just turn this forward so we see where we're walking. I can do that at least a little bit. There's a whole video on the Coop. Yeah, let's see what she's up to. All right. Yeah, drop that there. Drop that, or not drop it. And see if I can take this somewhere. So I think be okay going this way. I'm just going to turn a little bit. Got power in the stable there. See if I can take it to one of the closer plugs. Oh, hey Callie, just me. Y'all don't be afraid. I'll be making some noise. Just talking to the ponies. Oh, I don't know if this is gonna work. I may need a longer cord. Let's see if I can go through the electric fence without getting zapped here. Y'all want turned out? I'll turn you out. Crawl under this fence. Y'all want out? Ready? Don't run over me. There you go. All right. Oh yeah, there's a plug right there. As y'all can't see because I'm in here. Gotta pull the cord now. Oh yeah, this is gonna work out good. There we go. Plugged in. Oh, I didn't think about that. My cage is so tight, I may not be able to get a cord through the door anywhere. That's what happens when you build a predator-proof chicken coop. You try not to leave any weaknesses. Hey girls, guys. All right. Take a look at the chicken water down here. Don't y'all run out. See if they work at all. Frozen. Well, you got a little water here. It's not frozen. Let's see what we got here. Actually, I think I'll just do it like this. I thought they put out more air, and it did. Let's loosen it up a little bit. It's gonna work now. There we go. I see a little water there. Yeah, I see that y'all want some water. Is that frozen more than what it was? Well, let's see what we do. Gonna take a little longer, guys. Well, we're moving free now. Not frozen up, but must be a layer of ice just on the outside of the barrel there. I guess I'll try the old heat lamp, leave it on here for a little while. Gonna have to leave a little bucket of water. See where I can put this. Guess I'll just pretty much drop it down here on top of it. Is that gonna fit through there? Yeah, there's a slight gap. I might be able to just fit in there. Oh, lovely. Well, I don't recommend you dropping your heat lamp. It breaks elements. I think that'll work. Better have some place to try the other side. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm gonna have to put that right there. That's a good distance. Nice little heat right there on the side. At least free up these nipples on this side. I'm going to get some more cord in here. Oh, and I just spilt that water. Lovely. Gonna have to get them some more water. I'll be out here a little bit, guys. Sorry. All right. Well, that's going. Get a little heat on there. Get that over there like that. I don't want it too close. Don't want it melting anything. Let's See how that does. Hey, chickies. Stupid little tripod's getting too long here. Take it off my tripod. Yeah. Frozen, but we'll see what we can do. I guess I'll come back a little bit later, see how it is. And I will speed this up or something because this is a little bit too long. That's probably chicken poop. All right, it's next day. We got down to at least 23 degrees last night. The wife has already been out here and checked the chickens, and she reported that it was good, but I came out here to show you that it's good and still functioning. I wish I would have just done this the day before, whatever, so it would have been good and I wouldn't have had to try to thaw it yesterday, but this method works. I'm just gonna switch the camera around. Okay, hello chickies. Oh, are you gonna get a drink? Go and do your thing. All right, guess not. Let's go in here. Light's still on. Down here. Oh, I should put my glasses on so I can see. Yep, see it works. Works. And she said it works all the way around. So, and oh, get a little light in here. It's a little, it thawed out. It had a layer of ice on it yesterday. It's still got a little bit on the outer edge crust, but it's not got a solid layer. So it did its job pretty well. And that's all there is to it. So I recommend using a heat lamp. Don't get it too close. Hey guys, y'all getting big. When y'all gonna start producing me some money eggs? Well, you produce plenty of poop, as you just seen. Just dropped it down there. Alrighty, let's lock you back in. Lock the thing back up and lock you in. Are you gonna be my friend? Nope. What about you?